Are you struggling to combine two data frames in Pandas? You're not alone. Many users find themselves confused about which method to use for merging data. Today, we're going to clarify the differences between join, merge, and concat and help you achieve the results you want. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to combine data and the documentation just doesn't provide the examples you need. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and it's completely normal to feel stuck. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked how to combine two sets of data, structured with a time column in both data frames. They want to merge the data so that identical time values are combined into a single row. Sound familiar? If you're in the same boat, stick around as we explore the solution. So what's the issue here? The user has tried several methods, including merge ordered, merge, and concat, but none of them produce the desired result of combining rows with shared time values. Understanding the differences between these methods is key to solving this problem. And don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to combine your data frames correctly, but I'll also share a pro tip that will make your data manipulation tasks much easier. To combine the two data frames correctly, the user should use the merge function with the outer join method. This will ensure that all time values from both data frames are included. Next, the user needs to sort the resulting data frame by the time column. This will arrange the data in chronological order, which is essential for analysis. After sorting, the user should reset the index of the data frame. This step will ensure that the index is sequential and reflects the new order of the rows. Finally, the user can fill any missing values in the data frame. This will help in maintaining a clean dataset, especially if there are gaps in the data. Fun fact, did you know that the Pandas library is named after the term panel data? It's a great tool for data manipulation and analysis, and you're about to master it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that the issue may stem from the data types of the time column in both data frames. They recommend ensuring that both columns are of the same data type. For example, using the merge function with the outer method and sorting by time can yield the desired result. If the data types differ, the user demonstrates how to convert the time column in data frame B to a string type before merging, which can lead to unexpected results. They emphasize the importance of matching data types for successful merging. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves rounding the numbers in the time column before merging the data frames. They found that even though both columns were of the same data type, rounding helped to align the values correctly. The user specifically mentioned that their column was labeled time sec, which required a slight modification to the rounding command. This adjustment worked effectively for their situation. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always inspect your data frames for duplicates before merging. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches and ensure your data is combined correctly. And there you have it. You should now be able to combine your data frames successfully. Remember, understanding the right method to use is crucial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos on data manipulation.